Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone had a wonderful Wednesday. The weather today was some cloudy at times, but there was also that smoke in the sky. Highs were in the upper 50s to the low 60s. If you smelled smoke, which I actually did, it was from a wildfire that's still going on in Great Barrington, Massachusetts, where Ski Butternut is. So that's why it smells like smoke. It's not on the level of the Canadian wildfire, but it's still something that we have to look out for. As you can see, I provided a map here courtesy to Storm Teammate in New Haven. Um, you can see that's kind of like that smoke up there starting to form, and then it comes down through Connecticut near Danbury or so. So those of you in northern Fairfield County, maybe Litchfield County, New Haven County, you could smell that smoke in the air a little bit. Tonight, some much needed rain develops after midnight. Lows will be in the 40s, so not cold enough for snow, but the rain could be very, very heavy into the morning and windy. So if I were you, I would not just have that umbrella. I would make sure that you have that raincoat as well because the umbrella might not do it for you. As I said, Thursday, windy and rainy. It's going to be rainy and windy all day, so just make sure you have that raincoat if you're working outside, have that umbrella, all the rain boots, all the rain gear that you would need to stay dry because this is going to be a yucky rain. It's going to be cold, windy. It's going to go sideways at times, so just be aware of that. Highs in the upper 40s to the low 50s. Snow could mix in western Connecticut. Yes, I said it. In the late evening to Friday morning. Now, this is not something we're used to, obviously, because, it hasn't snowed yet, but if it does happen, that would be quite cool. This is another map that I took from WTNH in New Haven, courtesy to them, but this shows how heavy the rain is going to be on Thursday at 9 a.m. Just look at that. Heavy pockets in Hartford, just west of New London, just east of Danbury by the Housatonic River over there. And just the whole state is just getting rained on at this point, except for like this corner over here in eastern Connecticut and by the casinos. But basically, the whole state's going to get a lot of rain from this. And then look at that, by 11 o'clock, a lot of the rain moves out west, but then we have that snow from that cold air coming down that's breaking up that rain and giving us some snow. So that's truly cool. Like most of Litchfield County, northern Fairfield County, northwestern New Haven County, you're really not going to see much accumulation, but if you want to see some snowflakes in the sky, you'll probably be able to see them late Thursday evening into early Friday morning. The weekend, partly cloudy and windy. Key takeaways, much nicer weather because we're not going to have that soaking rain, but it will be a little windy at times. Highs in the upper 40s to the low 50s. And an extra that I have for everyone today, models are hinting at our first possible snowstorm next week. And yes, take this with a grain of salt because it's late next week. It's more like around Thanksgiving, a little bit after that. So do not tell everyone that there's a snowstorm coming. Just take it with a grain of salt because I found this very exciting and I wanted to share it with all of you. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday. Stay dry tomorrow because it's going to be very, very rainy, very windy, and that rain's going to be coming in from the side. So just be aware of that. I hope everyone has a great night, and we'll be back. Thank you.